Hello, I will talk about data analytics process inside organizations. So let's start with the departments included in the data analytics process. First of all, we have the data department, then we have the data analytics department, and finally, we have the decision makers. So for the data department, they came from different backgrounds. For example, technology engineers, IT specialists, database specialists. And the rules are creating sources of data, collecting data, processing data, which means cleaning and organizing data, storing data in databases, managing the data department. Examples of data sources like data coming from sensors, data coming from surveys, archive data, data coming from communication channels, etc. For the data collection, it could be automatic, semi automatic, or manual. For the data analytics department, actually, it consists of data scientists. And the rules are to retrieve selected data from databases, apply data analytics, send reports to decision makers. In case data analytics department didn't find their data, they need to conduct a meeting with data department to create new sources for the needed data. For the decision makers, they use the report from the data analytics department to make their decision, which is considered as data driven management and decision making. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to visit our website. Thank you.